Warning, the following video contains facts and logical thinking. Some viewers may find this video offensive because it goes against what they hear in their echo chamber. Tinfoil hats are advised if you do not want to learn anything. Hello everyone. So this is what America has come to, and people wonder why we're the dumbest country or one of the dumbest countries in the world. I've actually set up a display here for Nashville using popcorn, cheese grater, and some toy cars. And this really is for the people who have this view that a DEW caused this. Now, I thought about starting another channel calling it Drawn in Crayon, because it seems like that's what you have to do these days to get things through people. So I'll make this short and sweet really quick. But most of these people who spout DEWs, like I said, they don't know what type of DEW it was or is used or anything about them. They have no idea the energy requirements or where they're shot from and everything else. They also don't understand general relativity, the photoelectric effect, things that Einstein came up with and actually won a Nobel Prize for. But hey, yours truly does. So here's the car that was in the back. This is the RV. Then we got these two cars up here. The little Christmas thing right here is Hooters. These are the buildings across the street that received the most damage, and this is the AT&T building, okay? So let's just say it was a DEW. Now, I'm going to assume it was a laser one, an HEL, because that's the only video I've seen on something, and I don't know whether it was a laser or a missile or what, but you can use this for both. So people think that, I can't believe I gotta look this up. Someone sent me this picture, and this is the AT&T building, okay? Someone suggested that, so this is actually the sidewalk, that's the building, the truck was here. Well, they were saying that this was a crater at first, and then I've actually seen a comment that said, when you look at the backside of this building, that it was a DEW. So Google View, though, now this is from, it says July of 2019. There's the crate, there's a grate. This is the front of the building. There's no grates there, okay? And when you back up, there's these four. There's a concrete slab, another grate, okay? But the vehicle was parked on the street. So the fact that these blew upwards, man, I just thought of that. That's fucking crazy. That almost means there was explosives underneath here maybe and out. But someone said that a DEW came down, penetrated through the RV, through the concrete, didn't create a crater, and then blew everything out. Here, we'll move that back, and this is the sidewalk, and blew everything out right here. Highly unlikely. Possible, but I do not have enough info. But anyways, this is how a DEW and lasers work. Lasers and shit travel in a straight line, okay? That is how the photoelectric effect and general relativity work. I'm sorry physics doesn't compute with some of you people, okay? But lasers only know straight lines unless they are bounced off mirrors or something. However, there's this thing called general relativity. Einstein came up with it. You guys might have heard of him. That talks about warpage of space-time. In order for this RV to warp space-time, to have a DEW laser come in and then turn sideways, if that's what you believe, it would literally have to have the mass and density of a neutron star or something crazier than that, and square-shaped. And it would have to be flat like this with an angle. So when it came down, space-time was warped so much that it shot the laser that way. That is not possible. Not possible. I don't care how much tinfoil you have on your head. That is not how general relativity works and lasers. So unless the RV had mirrors inside of it and on top and it shot that way, that's the only plausible explanation for why that would happen. But I'm sorry, for you people who spout DEW was used and shot sideways, unless the DEW was in the fucking RV shooting that way, physics overrides your argument 100%.